Everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino rapper based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, agad-agad gawin natin ito ng reaction ng video, ang performance ng Team Believe na si Wences, if I'm not mistaken. So, without further ado, let's all watch this.
Ang alaga mo.
G.
Mga kapuso, please welcome my princess, my jewel. Enjoyin niyo po ang performance ni Wences.
Winces. Ano yung kinanta ni Winces naman?
Describe my journey dito sa...
Ano kaya kinanta ni Winces ng...
...going roller coaster.
What do you call this?
Holding on to that seat for dear life.
You have fought since blind audition.
Ano yung kinanta niya ng...
Sa Jules.
Wait lang, kunin mo ng
Since na
ko.
still
Ng Blind?
fought every single time.
Hindi ko ito nagawa ng reaction
Now, I
video
want
eh.
you to start over again. Nandun ulit yung gutom mo. Nandun ulit yung want mo para manalo sa competition na ito. I don't want you to think, hello? Princess, tumatawag nanay mo.
Yung nanay niya.
From the start, unti-unti niyang naaabot
Princess
yung
Yana.
pangarap niya dahil sa kanyang hard work, dedication.
Ate, andito lang kami ni
Ay,
Mami mo.
feeling ko OFW yung tatay ni Princess.
Suporta lagi.
The design is very Saudi. Right? What do you think?
In the show.
Ang kakantayin ko po sa Grand Finals is Defying Gravity.
Oh my God, Defying Gravity.
This song is perfect for you.
Thank you so much
Oh
for...
my God, Defying Gravity. Totoo ba?
Bringing me back to life. For giving me...
Dapat ano eh, bring me to life, no?
Ayan.
Bagay din sa kanya
Kami
yan.
sa Grand Finals, so might as well give it your all. Wala nang mag-hold kay Winces. I want you to fly and I want you to soar super high. Good luck.
Bagay din sa kanya yung Bring Me to Life actually.
Because I think Winces...
Dapat ganun yung kinanta niya. Bring me to life. Di ba?
Del, humanda ka ngayon.
Ah, kasi galing si Wences kay Stell.
Something has changed with
Wow. Ting!
something is not the same.
Diba yung vibrato ng boses niya?
I'm through with playing by
Ang ganda ng delivery.
rules of someone else's game.
Ang ganda ng delivery.
Too late for second guessing. Too
Ay, ang mom niya.
to sleep. It's time to trust my instinct.
Ay, hindi ito live.
Close my eyes.
My eye.
It's time to try to
Wow.
find
Hindi na pag-perform. Wait, ayusin natin.
gravity, and you can't bring me down. So if you care to find me under the western sky, as someone told me lately, everyone deserves
Hold on.
to fly. And if I'm flying solo,
Kalma lang, girl.
at least I'm flying free. To those who wronged me, take a message back from me. Tell them
Wow, speak siya. Ganda. At walang sharp.
nobody in all of us, no wizard that there is or was, is ever gonna break me down.
Wow. Wow. Oops. Here. Okay, wala naman. Naitawid niya. Wow! Oh my God! Ang galing niya. Ang galing niya, dear. Oh my God, oh, mom niya. Ang galing niya. Ang galing niya. Grabe.
Wow! Winces! Grabe, nakakakita.
Grabe yun.
What a performance!
Pero hindi siya akong narinig sa kanya. Pero okay lang.
Hanep. Ah.
Grabe.
Wow, what good job! Ano masasabi natin? Okay, coaches. I'm sure sapat na sapat, higit pa ang naging performance si Winces dito. Pero syempre, ano bang gusto niyo sabihin? Because probably this is like the final opportunity for you to say something. Coach Julie, ikaw muna.
Winces, you know, I'm so proud of the lady you have become. Coming from Jewel Squad at napunta ka kay
Jewel Squad pala siya. Jewel Squad pala. Jewel Squad.
Sobrang tama at maganda ang naging resulta ng lahat ng pagod, lahat ng hard work mo. Congratulations sa'yo.
Jewel Squad pala siya.
And I think it's time para may sabihin si Coach Billy. Congratulations, Winces. Congratulations sa'yo. I'm so proud of you.
Galing, galing. Emotional.
Siyempre sa iyo, coach.
Emotional si Coach Billy.
Naiyak ako. No, I'm just so, I'm just really proud of you, Winces. Sobrang proud ako sa'yo dahil yung journey mo from feeling defeated nung natanggal ka
Feeling
doon sa time and for someone to give you a second chance. Ito lang yung masasabi ko sa'yo, Winces. Whether you win or you lose, you will always have a chance because God has given you this talent.
True.
That's right.
Couldn't agree more.
Yeah. Take this opportunity, itong oportunidad na nasa harapan mo, itong pagkakataon na pag-perform mo. Kaya ako naiiyak dahil panalo ka na kahit papaano. You've already made your mark. Pinakita mo, pinarinig mo sa aming lahat kung ano yung binigay ng Panginoon sa iyo ay yung pag-aawit mo, yung boses mo. Kaya maraming salamat sa iyo, Winces.
May a little bit of sharp choice.
Great job.
Thank you, coaches. Para
Yeah.
po si Winces, huwag niyo pong kalimutan na i-scan ang QR code na nakikita niyo po sa inyong screens.
Scan.
Yan po, naka-flash po ngayon. At syempre, tutulungan nating matupad ang pangarap niya dahil para sa ating grand winner, hindi lang po bragging rights ang makakamit niya after tonight. Siguradong magbabago rin ang buhay niya dahil sa mga papremyong ito. Let's watch this.
Okay. Alright, there. Okay, sa result for today's video. Perfect naman. Perfect siya. Perfect ang kanyang, what do you call this? Delivery. Ang ganda ng diction niya. Ang ganda ng diction niya. Tsaka, na-slay niya din talaga. So, this is Kijima Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!